Dear friends, in exercise 1.4, third question is fill in the blanks. 36 divided by something is 369 divided by something is 369. Now we already know if same number divides same number, we get answer 1. And if 1 divides any number, we get the same number. So if 369 is divided by 1, we will get the same answer. Now next is negative 75, and here it is negative 1. We know if the same number divides same number, we get the answer 1. And here since the sign is negative, we will get negative 75 divided by 75, positive 75. Try to understand this. Then and then only we will get a negative answer 1. Now next is negative 206. If the same number divides same number, we will get answer 1. If negative 87 is divided by negative 1, we will get the answer 87. And if negative 87 is divided by 1, we will get the same answer. If 48 is divided by 48, we will get the answer 1. If 20 is divided by negative 10, then we will get the answer negative 2. Here, if please understand, we know that multiplication is opposite of division. So here some number divided by 4 is 3. It means 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. Let us check negative sign. If you divide this negative 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12, we will get the same answer. Since this is negative sign, you can remember this in this way also. For division is or multiplication is opposite of division. In exercise 1.4, fourth question is write five pairs of integers a comma b is equal to negative 3 such that a divided by means first integer if divided by second integer, the answer is negative 3. One such pair is 6 negative 2 because 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Now try to understand this. Please note here, one integer must be the multiplier of negative 3. Then we will get the answer. So let us check this. If b is multiplying negative 3, we will get the answer a. And this b can be any integer. You can take 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Since we know that a divided by b is equal to negative 3, here we can multiply b to 3 to get the value of a. And b's value we can take any value. You can solve in this way also. So let us check. If you take b is equal to 1, you will get b into minus 3 is equal to a. So you will get here we have taken b is equal to 1, we will get a is equal to negative 3. So let us check. Negative 3 divided by 1, answer is negative 3. Now let us check. If you take b is equal to 2, you will get 2 into negative 3 is equal to a. That is negative 6 is equal to a. Let us check. A divided by b is equal to negative 6 divided by 2, that is equal to negative 3. Now you can take b's value. This is first value, this is second value. You can take third value. B is equal to 3. If you take b is equal to 3, you will get a is equal to b into negative 3. So this is equal to negative 9. Let us check. Negative 9 divided by 3 is also equal to negative 3. You can take fourth value. B is equal to 4. So if you take b is equal to 4, a will get a is equal to b into negative 3. That is equal to 4 into negative 3 is 4 into negative 3 is negative 12. So negative 12 divided by 4, again answer is negative 3. So you can understand we have got 4 pairs, and in all the cases we have taken positive integer. It is not always necessary that you take a positive integer. You can take a negative integer as well. So if you take b is equal to negative 1. If you take b is equal to negative 1, you will get a is equal to b into negative 3. So you will get a is equal to negative 3. So negative 1 into negative 3 is positive 3. You will get a is equal to positive 3. It means 3 divided by A divided by B will be, again you can notice you will get a minus 3. If you take sixth value, if you take B is equal to negative 2, you will get A is equal to B into negative 3, that is minus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 6. Here you can note A divided by B is equal to 6 divided by negative 2, that answer is negative 3. So we have got many pairs. Let us write which are the pairs. First pair is 1, negative 3. A is negative 3. So first pair is pairs. 5 pairs were asked. I am writing here first pair A is negative 3 and B is 1. Second pair is A is negative 6 and B is 2. Third pair is A's value is negative 9 and B's value is 3. Fourth pair, A's value is negative 12 and B's value is 4. Fifth value, A is equal to positive 3 and B is equal to negative 1. Sixth value, A is equal to 6 and B is equal to negative 2. So any 5 of these can be written, or you can solve further to write many other values.